Brian Kelly here for the Honda Giant, here to show you this 2018 Dodge Challenger GT all-wheel drive. Just came in on trade, has 41,000 miles on it. 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, front and back. A little bit of brushed chrome. Headlights, fog lights. 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Lots of tread on the tires. Dyed rocker panels, reinforced steel door beams, solar ray tinted glass. This car has passed our mechanical inspection, comes with our 60-day warranty. Spoiler, rear window defrost, tail lights, remote access to the trunk. Also has the backup camera. Looks like it's got an aftermarket and the factory cold air intake. All the mats are here. Spare tire jack and tools will be underneath. Also has remote start. Challenger is a 4-passenger, 5-passenger, center armrest, latch system for child safety seats, mat pockets, looks like. Power driver seat, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the Alpine stereo system, cup holders in the door, heated rear exterior mirrors. Asked to see the free Carfax report and mechanical inspection sheet. Under the hood, we have a 3.6-liter VVT 6-cylinder motor. Challenger's all-wheel drive. Centrally located fuse box. Clear reservoir for your windshield washer fluid. 4-channel independent anti-lock brakes. Insulated dipstick for oil check. Have your cold air intake and oil fill. Clear reservoir for your engine coolant and power brakes. On the interior, you have your driver and passenger side airbags, side curtain airbags, fingertip control for your information display, Bluetooth, cruise, paddle shifters in the back, radio controls are back there as well, leather wrapped steering wheel and seats, armrest with storage, 12 volt, lots of chargers, lined, cup holders, looks like a honeycomb trim. Automatic transmission, independent heating and air conditioning control for driver, passenger, radio controls, push button start, touchscreen radio, day-night mirror, map lights, home link system, and sunglass holder.
Thanks, Brian. Find this and many more quality pre-owned vehicles at HondaCarsOfBellevue.com. Serving the heartland for over 35 years. One happy Honda customer at a time. Honda Cars of Bellevue. One small step off Kennedy Freeway. One giant Honda savings store.